Okay, here we have a home, a single individual living here, and they do the laundry for their office also, so approximately 4 loads a week. The home is 10 years old, and this person has lived in this home for 1 year. We don't know if this has ever been cleaned out. Probably about 6, 8, 10 foot. We'll find out how far this will go in, and we're going to see how much comes out of this one. Looks like we've got a sock or something in there.
I know.
Okay, let me see if we can get this guy out of here.